Good morning. I welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. I'm your teacher of English, Nisha Sharma, and today I'm here with a new video on the poem Rain on the Roof. Dear children, this is the second module. The first one we have done yesterday, and the poet of the poem is called Skinny. Paragraph 2. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start, and a thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof, and as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. First, we'll be discussing word meanings. The word is tinkle. It means soft ringing sound. Shingles, small round stones. Dreamy, dreamlike. Fancies, imaginations. Recollections means memories, and weave means the pattern of weaving. Woof, that is a word to describe a sound. In this part, the poet expresses his feelings when he listens to the raindrops falling on the roof of his house. The poet says that every tinkle, every raindrop that is falling on the shingles, that has an echo in his heart. Here you can see that the raindrops are falling on the window pane. And these raindrops, when the poet is hearing them, is listening to them, he can feel an echo in his heart. Whenever he hears raindrops falling on the rooftop, its sound is repeated in his heart and in his dreams. Further, he has many different and fantastic imaginations. Also, the falling drops of rain on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. And all these different dreams, they are just moving around in his mind. For instance, he recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as dreams. So he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, and he has many dreams in his mind. And in his memories, the past come back in the form of dreams. Now this is the paragraph 3, and dear children, it is the last paragraph, and it reads, "Now in the memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me, as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain." The word meanings. Agone means past time, the time which has passed. Dreamer, one who dreams. And here, dear children, it refers to the children of the mother, of the poet's mother. And who are they? They are poet and his siblings. That is before. Dawn means early morning. Fond means loving. Look means gaze. And somebody is staring at you. Shingles, this is the word that we have seen in paragraph 2 as well, and that it means small round stones. In the last paragraph, the poet introduces his mother, and he says that he is dreaming of his mother. As in the previous stanza, that rain brings memories of the past. They were the memory of his mother, who is no longer alive. Long ago, his mother used to love him a lot, and she used to consider him a darling. Also, she would let him sleep until the daybreak and have sweet dreams. As he listens to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room, he feels that his mother is looking at him. Moreover, the sound of rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That's the reason when he was so much moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. He can think, he can see, he can hear that these sounds, and they bring back the memories of the past as he is reminds of his mother. And the poet is listening to the refrain. Refrain means the song that is being sung by the raindrops, and he is listening to these raindrops and he is remembering his mother. I hope you all have got the poem. Thank you.